the internal threads on the axle are screwed up. So for now, made this tab. That's gonna bolt to the lower fork guard and just hold that in. And it's aluminum plastic composite, so it's not going to rust. Off the stand, I got to take it off to put the shifter on. Mix in the tank. They put a little 2-cycle in the cylinder. It's tall. And there's no seat on it yet. Well, from this, I know the wheel cutoff works, which is nice. I had 2 machines where that didn't work. After inspecting it for a while, I found that crack. Kickstart not working, at least doesn't mean that engine tear out. So I ended up getting just this pin, which was $75, but at least it's brand new. Just odd that the torque that can be applied to this single part. It's only press fit on. Now for disassembly. You gotta throw stuff on the floor. Now this white plastic is all the way down, so you got to pry that up, and then you can pull the pin on the spring out of the and continue throwing stuff on the floor. And that's it for taking that apart. With the new one, the hole for the spring is aligned to this dog. First, this big gear goes on with the spring tab pointed toward the inside of the motor. Washer goes on next, followed by the spring, and this plastic piece that has a notch to go over the spring tab. Just press that plastic piece down all the way and it'll hold it. And that's it until you put it on the bike. Put the oil pan under, just in case any oil drips out. I don't have to bike at the right angle. Now to get the spring tab in the right position, which is right about there. Not too hard to put this in. Put the clutch in. Springs back up like it should. Kickstarter doesn't wobble too much in excess.